Hello guys, in the last video we have discussed about the structure of DBMS. Today we are going to discuss about database design process. What are the process involved in this, and all this we'll discuss in this video. In order to design a database with desirable properties, these are the 6 steps followed during the design process. Those are requirement analysis, conceptual design, logical design, schema refinement, physical design, and the last one is application and security design. So all these processes are involved in the database design. Let's discuss about first requirement analysis. This requirement analysis is a process of data mining. Means what kind of data to store, what functionalities to support, and what are the most frequently performed operations on the data stored in the database. So these are done in the requirement analysis, and these requirements are usually collected by conducting discussions with the user groups and other stakeholders at a non-technical level. So these requirements enable the database design to understand the business logic to be applied while constructing the desired database. So after collecting the requirements, these requirements are organized and represented using some suitable tools, and they are as given as input to the conceptual design. Understood? All those are given to the. So during this step, requirement specifications are converted into ER model or any other similar high level conceptual database design model. This ER model provides a simple description of the data that matches both like how users and developers perceive the data by identifying entities relationship between the attributes and integrity constraints. We already seen the relations right in the last videos. So once the requirement specifications are converted to ER model, it is given as input to the logical database design phase. So during this phase, the conceptual database design of database schema is converted into logical database design. That is, ER diagrams are now converted into actual relational database schemas, and these relational database schemas are given as input to the schema refinement step. In this refinement step, collection of relations in the relational database scheme are analyzed in order to identify the potential problems in the database, such as redundancies, anomalies, etc., and to restructure them in order to impose the desirable properties in the database. And after the schema, the refinement phase, physical database design starts. So this step is concerned about determining the physical features of database such as file organization, internal storage structure, access methods, etc. So in order to quickly access the data from the database, so this step may also involve redesign of parts like database schema. That is, what I mean to say is obtained from the earlier design steps in order to meet the design performance criteria. So after this physical database design, application and security design step starts. So in these steps, all the entities and its roles are identified for every application that access the database, and then the access rules are enforced to impose security on the database by permitting the users to access the data only if they have access rights on the part of the database, like authorization. And it is noted that, please note that all these requirement steps, all these steps are repeated until the database design becomes satisfactory. So these are all the process involved in the database design to give satisfactory for database design. So hope you understand this video. If you understand this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.